Hello everyone, welcome back to Dragonfly Engineering. So this week we're going to kick off a new project, and that is to make a 2000 watt fiber laser metal cutting gantry system. This system is I'm targeting for it to cut a 5-foot by 5-foot sheet of metal up to a 1/2 inch thick of mild steel. And to do that, I bought a DIY system from Skyfire Laser, which is a company in China, who also makes full laser cutting systems like off the shelf. So if you don't want to spend the money for an entire kind of ready to go system, then you can also buy the kit, which is all the components, the key components like the laser, the laser head, the control board that talks with all the stepper motors, and their computer with their software loaded on it. And I discovered this kit that you could buy from Skyfire by watching a fellow YouTuber whose name is Travis Mitchell. And he made basically the same system that I'm looking to, and I was so inspired by his success that I decided to buy the same thing. So Travis Mitchell, he's a YouTuber who builds all of his own manufacturing equipment. So he's built a CO2 laser cutter, he's built the metal cutting fiber laser, he's currently making a metal 3D printer, and he also made his own CNC gantry mill, for milling out metal and plastic and things. So quite an impressive channel. I'd highly recommend checking out Travis Mitchell's website or YouTube channel. And so when I went to visit Skyfire, I saw that Travis was also at the booth, and he was working as basically a promoter for Skyfire, and which was kind of a nice surprise to see. So Travis and I did an impromptu interview at the conference in front of Skyfire's booth, and then I also talked with the guys at Skyfire who showed some of their products, who I'm also friends with. The salesman was there, and he kind of showed us around all their cool stuff. So hope you enjoy this visit to Skyfire at the Anaheim Convention Center. I should note that this isn't a sponsored episode. I paid full price for this kit, but they're actually pretty responsive to work with, so I'm pretty happy with Skyfire, even though I haven't actually built the system yet. But it was very inspiring to talk with Travis in person, and he does actually have a forum associated with his Patreon, where it's basically like a platform where other builders of similar CNC systems share their notes. Yeah, it was very helpful. All right, well, without further ado, let's cut to the Anaheim Convention Center, where we talked with Skyfire and Travis Mitchell. Hi everyone, so we have a special guest here, a fellow YouTuber, Travis Mitchell.
Good morning.
And he's here with Skyfire. And Skyfire is the company that he's worked with to make some of his really cool projects, which inspired me actually. So, Travis, would you like to discuss?
Action. Okay, yeah. I'm been doing some YouTube content and building DIY a lot of laser cutting machines, and I'm here at WESTEC with Skyfire. They've been a great supporter of all my projects and helping to enable me to build these machines. And yeah, we're out here promoting some of their new products. And
cool. And you actually visited them in China,
yeah,
is that correct?
Last year, exactly 1 year ago, I was in Wuhan visiting their factory and their operations, and so this is pretty cool. It's their first chance to come here and see what America's like.
Yeah, and I enjoyed that video. So you can check out Travis's YouTube video or YouTube channel. What's it called?
Travis Mitchell.
Travis Mitchell on
It's
YouTube.
easy.
And he's built, let's see, a gantry CNC, a laser cutter, and now you're working on a 3D metal printer, right?
Yeah, metal 3D printer.
Nice.
Yeah.
And you were saying the 3D metal printer is notably more challenging than the other projects?
By far the most challenging project to date.
Oh, okay. So yeah, check out his channel, and we're gonna walk around and check out some of the goodies that they're showing here at the manufacturing conference. So any final thoughts or?
We're here the last day. If you're in the area, come check us out.
Oh, okay. There you go. All right. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. I'm Xiaodong from Skyfire Laser, and it's my first time to be in the US and in the WESTEC and we're proud to present our new project of our Air Family machine. Yeah, this is the laser cutting machine, and our
Cool.
technical director Bruce will demonstrate it.
Hello.
Yeah, Bruce.
All right, let's see it.
Yeah, let's check it out.
And you sell this and for sale all over the world?
Yes,
correct?
yes.
Okay.
We have a service center in Riverside, LA.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yes. Yeah, that's cool. This one.
So this
For
is
safety.
the safety lens or window.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so it's cutting. Let me get right up on it. It's got a Halloween theme in there. So this is a
4 millimeter.
Uh-huh. And the power of the laser is 1200
1200.
1200 watts. And you ship this machine directly as is, just in a big crate.
Yes, yes.
Oh, it's very nice. So your company also sells kits and things like that?
Sure, sure.
So if you want to make your own, then you can buy the key components from Skyfire,
Yes.
and they can build it. And that's what I'm going to be doing here pretty soon,
Yes.
with the help from the technical people at Skyfire.
Okay.
As well as Travis's online resource on his website. Or no, on your YouTube,
YouTube,
channel? Yeah.
Yes. That's
Oh,
the
okay.
test we cut.
So that is what we just cut. So that's kind of warm?
Yes, very hot.
Oh, very hot. Okay. Nice. Okay. And it's a Halloween theme.
Yeah.
And this machine can just run all day, right?
Yeah, of course.
Oh.
And we also have dial laser cut. So this is dial laser, 60 watts. And we can
Okay.
mount here.
Uh-huh.
To cut non-metal materials such as wood, acrylic.
Oh, okay.
I'll show you
So it's not recommended to cut plastic and wood with that high-powered laser?
fiber laser responsible for cutting the metal
Yeah.
materials, and this dial laser cutting the wood. Like
Oh, okay.
this.
What if you cut this with the fiber laser?
The fiber laser cannot cut the non-metal,
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
so that's why we have two hands.
Interesting. Okay. So, can you stick this laser on your laser setup if you wanted to cut wood or plastic?
I'm not sure if my controller,
Yes.
the Ray Tools controller supports it.
Oh, I see. Okay.
This is a different brand.
This is for the
yeah,
this.
and it has a
this.
setting where it can control a fiber or
Oh,
CO2,
okay.
or in this case, a dial laser.
Okay.
So in the software, they can just click a button and it'll be using this instead.
Oh, interesting. Okay. All right. But you actually made a CO2 laser too, or do you have
I
one?
built a specific CO2 laser with a
Yeah.
RF tube. Yeah.
So Travis basically builds all of his CNC equipment
Yeah.
from scratch. He doesn't buy.
Don't buy anything.
He makes everything, which is quite interesting. And you don't have a technical background. You're a designer
Oh,
by
yeah.
trade, right?
Yeah, graphic designer, web designer.
So he learned all of this,
Yeah. By
like
trying.
high level engineering by himself,
By trying and
with help
failing.
from Skyfire,
Yeah,
of course.
We're lucky to have Travis, of course.
Yes, yes, it's very impressive. So check out his channel. Okay, what else can we see here?
Yeah. Why we call this Air Family? Not only the laser cutter,
Yeah.
but also the air cooling laser welder. So
Oh,
when
okay.
you finish your cutting piece,
Yeah.
you can weld them together as
Okay.
you want. Use this
Oh, okay. This
welding
is a
gun.
handheld fiber or laser with a wire feed.
Yes.
Okay.
This is a wire gun.
Nice.
Yes. So you can
Okay.
change the parameters here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
On the gun.
Nice.
It's very easy. So
Okay.
for example, you cut this, let's say it's a building walls into pieces, and if you want join them together, see this is
let me
a
zoom in
welding
on
joint.
Oh, okay.
It's a welding joint. Yeah,
Was that with wire added, or is that just the laser
just
combined?
without wire, feeding wires. Just
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's when he just spot welded it.
yeah.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. Nice.
using this machine. And then if you want to mark your logo or something, you can use this machine. So it's a marking machine. So
Actually, I'm interested in getting one of these.
Yes. I'm pulling one machine. So that's a whole package, as you can see.
Oh, okay, and that's like a gimbal laser?
This is the marking machine for engraving graphics and logos.
So there's a gimbal mirror in there?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, I see, okay. Huh. And that's available on your website as well?
Yeah. All of these are available on our website.
Oh, neat. Okay.
And in addition to that, we try to provide our customers not only machine but also the whole workshop. As you can see, we provide the workshop solutions to decorate their garage or something into a more professional place where they can make their things.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they're basically like these extruded aluminum kits, and they can design them custom for you with different design styles.
Nice.
With
and that's like the the
like
extruded aluminum.
It's kind of like IKEA furniture, but for the workshop.
Oh, okay.
Yes, that's it.
Yeah.
And you've got drawer pulls and everything?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, like over there, there's material storage.
Yeah,
right?
you can store,
Oh, okay.
store materials.
That's pretty handy.
Yeah. This is our service center.
Hello.
People.
Would you like to introduce yourself? Tiara.
From actual
Yeah, we met yesterday, but I was...
Sports, I know.
And not only we also want to spread laser knowledge to the world. So we make books. For example, the book about the repair of fiber laser. And also a DIY laser machine. Teach people how to make laser machine.
Maybe I need to buy that book.
Of course, I can give you one. That's inspired by Travis. Actually.
Oh yeah.
Yes. This book integrates our experience and knowledge and Travis' experience and knowledge.
Okay.
Yeah. And you see, all these kind of tools we can also provide.
Okay.
Yes. So this area is the samples that we bring here to show people.
Oh, you do? You process wafers?
Yeah. No, this is a solid wafer laser. Okay. Yeah. This is just knowledge that people who are not in the laser industry know what laser can do.
Okay. Oh yeah, so this is a laser leather marking.
Yes, leather marking. Yeah, leather marking. See, this is QR code shows how we make it.
Okay. Neat. Well, thank you guys. You enjoying the show?
Thank you, Dave.
Oh, of course. All right.
For coming by.
Well, so check them out. What's your website?
Website is Anaria store for laser keys. ALLERIA store.
Oh, okay. I'll put a text in the video.
For laser keys.
Okay.
And for this Cooling family machine. Yes.
Yeah.
The website is small-laser.com.
Okay. Great. Well, I'm looking forward, and everyone on the channel can watch me follow in the footsteps of the master and build a similar laser. So it should be fun. So stay tuned. And thanks for watching Dragonfly Engineering. And check out Skyfire. Hope you enjoyed Dragonfly Engineering, and I'll see you guys next week. Thanks.